To factor this polynomial, we first need to figure out a pair of numbers that would add together to give us our b value, or add together to give us -4. And a pair of numbers that will multiply together to give us the value of a times c, which is equal to a +4. And to do that, let's take 4 and create a factor tree. So we'd have 1 times 4 and 2 times 2. 1 and 4, there's no combination of adding or subtracting that could give us -4, but there is a combination of adding or subtracting that could take 2 and 2 and give us 4. What that combination is going to depend on the signs. So if we need to add together to get a negative number, and both of these numbers are smaller than the absolute value of 4, that means both of these numbers have to be negative. A -2 plus a -2 will give us a -4. And that aligns with what we need out of our multiplication, because we need the multiplication to be a +4. A negative times a negative does indeed give us a positive. So when we go to set up our binomials, it will look something like this. We will have not plus, x minus 2 times x minus 2. We can go ahead and check that using our FOIL method. Front, x squared, outer, -2x, inner, -2, and last, -4. +4. When we add our common terms, we will have x squared minus 4x plus 4, which does match our original equation. So now we just need to simplify to find our correct answer. Since these are two binomials that are identical to one another being multiplied together, that is the same thing as x minus 2 squared. Because if 2 times 2 is 2 squared, then x minus 2 times x minus 2 is also squared, making answer choice C our correct answer.